All right, guys, back at it again with an air horn. I'm here at a local frisbee golf course. As you see, there's a hole all the way down there, and it's a big open place. Someone's coming right now. I gotta get a decent spot. He's pissed. Bro, I didn't do anything, man. I promise I didn't do anything. What? I didn't do anything. Bro, what? Chill, dude, chill. Dude, it's just a joke. It's just a joke, homie. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is pretty cool looking.
Oh, you!
Go, go, go! Run! Run!
He has your frisbee!
I'm gonna go try to give him it back. Guys. Bud, looking for this? You looking for this? Here. Can I get your arm, bud? Oh.
Oh, shoot!
Oh. Dude, go.
I'm so tired! I'm so tired! Oh! That was close, man. Let's go. Oh, he stopped. Oh, he stopped.
I took his little frisbee. Like that. So this guy is super mad at us.
What? You see him?
All right, guys, I'm gonna get him one more time. Yo, chill, hey. Chill out. Look, hey, it's just, chill out. What are you doing, really? That was a pretty good throw, dude.
Let's go. Oh, shoot.
All right, yep. That was the last time I was with that guy. Yo, chill, hey. Relax, watch out. Oh, he got hit.
Yeah, throw harder next time.
Hey, do you like my prank and funny videos? Why not click subscribe, and smash that bell button, and we can tell you about every new video we post. If you want to support my channel, that's great, you can buy me a coffee. Just click on the link in the description below.